Peugeot Partner K9 heater blower motor and resistor location and removal. Keep in mind Australia is left-hand drive with the steering wheel on the right. This process is not applicable to right-hand drive countries with the steering wheel on the left. Now we'll remove this cover underneath the steering wheel over here. It's only held on by clips because the blower motor and the resistor is behind this cover. It's actually in a very easy location and I think this is a very easy DIY job. Now I'm not going to do this in order. First I'll just show you the location of the resistor and remove that one, but that's the blower motor over there and the resistor is just behind it over there to the left, right there. Now you don't have to do what in them in order, it's either or. I'm just going to do the resistor first. So basically unplug the plugs that are on the resistor, press onto this section here, and then with the other two plugs from both sides you need to press onto both sides of the plug and then simultaneously those ones, and then pull the plugs out. And then the resistor is only held on by two screws. I believe they are 7/32 inch, so 7/32. And then go ahead and remove both the screws that hold the resistor in place, and that will be basically the resistor removal. Now for the heater blower motor, we will unplug again by pressing onto both sides of the plug, and then when you unplug you'll also need to unwind the cable from the heater blower motor or else it'll get in the way. So when you unplug it, make sure you detach the cabling from the heater blower motor. I don't show you this, but that's what you need to do as well. It has 3 screws the same size, 7/32 inch. I'll remove the rear one first, which is the more difficult one, and then I will go to the one side, the other side, and then finally the one that's towards the front. And then once you remove the front one, you'll just need to wriggle the blower motor out of place. You don't have to detach the accelerator pedal, but it gets stuck if you don't unwind the plug. You know, so the cable there, that was unwinded and that's why it got stuck, but you need to unwind that cable. And then you can pull the blower motor out of place and replace it. This is the location and removal for the Peugeot Partner K9 heater blower motor and resistor.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.